Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marlene. This channel is a bilingual channel where you get simple recipes to make from the comfort of your own home. Today we will be working on an anti-inflammatory drink. This drink consists of 6 simple ingredients. I hope you like it. If you would like for me to try other recipes to make from the comfort of our home, let me know in the comments and let's get started. Here we go. Let's go straight into this. We have our ingredients. We have lemon, orange, grapefruit, celery, and carrots. I'm going to first wash and peel all of my ingredients, and then I'm gonna show you how well my juicer works. I have a large carrot, so depending on the amount that you want on flavor, you can add or take away. I really like the taste of the grapefruit and the properties that it gives. Therefore, I have approximately 4 grapefruits, 1 orange, 2 lemon. I have for the celery, it's approximately 6, and then 1 large carrot. Our 6th ingredient comes later on. Don't you worry, I'm gonna keep you in the loop. This juicer has been with me for approximately like 4 to 5 years now, and it has not broken down. I have no complaints. I'm gonna have it linked down below, so don't you worry, I got you. Let's get started. I'm going to peel and get back. It's gonna be like this. So actually, you know what? Let's do something. 3, 2, 1. All right, so I want you to have a closer look. I always, with this machine, and I think with all of your machines, you should always test it first before adding your ingredients, because you just never know if it's functioning properly. So I already have it plugged in. It has 3 knobs. It has the off button 1 and 2. So the second one is for much rougher fruits or vegetables that are a lot thicker and more dense. Therefore, it needs more power. But the fruits that we have, we should leave it in the level 1. It should all process through perfectly fine. The only vegetable that I would recommend for you to probably process it through number 2 is your carrot, because the carrot is a little bit more thick. So depending on the thickness and the density of your vegetable or fruit, you would like to change the knob. So let me just test it out. I'm going to pull it up because it's going to make noise, a lot of noise. So it's gonna be loud, so sorry. Here goes 1, and here goes 2. Beautiful. So let's get started. My hands are washed, just in case if you were wondering. Although it's only gonna be my husband and I drinking this juice, but here are all the fruits. So let's just get started. It doesn't really matter what goes first. I just add all the ingredients until it's done. I like to first add it in. This way I can put the safety. Prop it in, and here we go. Alrighty then, this is our drink. It is delicious. One thing that I love about this brand or this machine is that it comes with this little space, like the top, where all this pulp will be held back. The majority of the pulp will be held back as I pour it into my jar. This foam in the top, I was studying that it's important to have some of the pulp. I know that for some of us, we don't like it because of the texture, but if you are having any digestive issues, if you are constipated and need just a little bit more help and want to do it in a more holistic way, this is the best way to do it. The pulp helps for your small intestine and large intestine to kind of like push all that gunk out in a more like soothing way. It's kind of like the broom in a way for our digestive system. So if you don't want the pulp, as always, it's based off of preference. If you don't want the pulp, you could just always strain it. But I kind of like the pulp. Now that we have our juice, I know what you're thinking, Marlene, where's the 6th ingredient? I did not forget. The 6th ingredient is cayenne pepper. This 6th ingredient is for those that can tolerate it. It's a very strong and potent ingredient. That is why I didn't mention it earlier, because you don't really need this ingredient for this to work. It still works the way that it is. However, I like that added kick. I know that it has a lot of benefits. So if you can tolerate it, all you have to do is just add a dash on top, as so. So I like, as it's done, I just like to add just a small dash. No more, just a tad. You close it up and give it a good shake. It's not going to taste bad. It's not going to take away from the other ingredients, I promise. That is all. And so here it is, our very simple and delicious drink to help aid with inflammation in our bodies. I hope you like this. I hope you subscribe. If you want me to try anything else, please leave it down below. So yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and until next time, God bless.